If you do have any questions, you can type it in the chat and I will try to answer to the best of my ability. Hey Brian, hey Getty J. How are all doing? Uh, I had my first down day today, so it's all good. I haven't broken any rules, so still 2 more days to pass the combine. Today is my ninth day. Hey Max. So I don't know if you saw my video earlier or not when I went live. The reason I decided to go with this particular setup is Uh, we have a good bounce from the previous day's low, and 10,896 is like 50% retracement, and this is just below the 61% retracement. So these are the levels that uh, markets respect, right? So that's why I have put like a buy order for one contract, and right now I don't know what the target is going to be. So let's see. I mean, it is going to be a long wait, and we will see how it happens when it gets filled, if it ever gets filled. Yeah, Max, or yeah, Brian. Yeah, I did pass it, but as I said, I should not uh, break the rules. Like don't exceed my $1,000 loss. That still can happen. So yeah, I just need to be careful. I mean, even with this particular uh, order from 896 to 883 are like 13 points, which is $260. So congratulations, Brian. So looks like you had a good day today. That's awesome. Can I ask you something? Did you make it while the market was going up, or did you make it while the market was going down? Like you were shorting, or were you long? That's good. I know you are very conservative and trying to be careful. That's good. I mean, this is what uh, should happen is we move with the market and not try to fight the market. So right now, if you see Nasdaq, our NQ is up 47 points, almost half a percent. So my order here is trying to be long. Oh, that that would have been stressful, right, Brian? Yeah, I think that's one concern I have with that strategy is having way too much deep stop. So if your entries are going to be at a decent point where markets respect the levels, then I think you don't need to have that deep of a stop. Um, was it on one contract or two contracts? The $500. Two counts. Okay, got you. Yeah, so I think when volatility is high, playing with one tick uh, will reduce your risk significantly. I mean, you should try that. Going with one contract instead of two. Instead of two lots, go with one lot when the volatility is very high. When like NQA is going up or down like 40 plus ticks in one 5 minute bar. Also, I want to update you. Tomorrow, I will not be streaming. I have to take my daughter to the university. Yeah, she's moving back. She's a sophomore, so she's moving back uh, into uh, her university lifestyle. So, uh, yeah, I won't be near any PC to stream. Probably tomorrow I will be like doing one small trade just to make sure I stayed active and finish my combine because yeah, tomorrow will be my last day. They say pro account takes at the most a day and a half. So hopefully by Monday evening I should have it because it is something similar to what this account is, except for us it is real money and Top Step is trying to help us because they don't want us to get nervous when we are in the funded account. I think a lot of individuals will be interested, and I am planning to uh, stream when I trade in my pro account as well. Yeah, Brian, I will. Don't worry, I will. So ES is just 0.17%. Just wanted to see, but they both are in sync. I mean, this morning ES was like up in green and NQ was getting sold. So it sometimes confuses me when that happens. Gold keeps going down. 1934. Sorry, I was on mute. What I was saying was I'm going to try shorting NQ at volume area high with stop loss at new session high for today's evening session. So we have three orders. One is long at 10,896, one going short at 10,939, and then I have a order for gold near VWAP. And I'm being very conservative today. I started streaming, so not in a early. I started streaming early, so I'm not in a rush to get into a trade and then regret it later. This short will come off the charts if NQ makes a new low below 10,919. Thank you, Brian. I just followed you back as well. Yeah, for me, Twitter and YouTube blogging, it's all new. So trying to learn here. Um, Hopefully, it works out well for all of us. Lot of power here in the social engineering applications. Okay. Looks like gold. Yeah, Matt is awesome. Definitely. I was, yeah, I saw that. I never like gotten interested in Twitter, but looks like it's a very powerful social engineering app. Well, only time will tell me. Yeah, I mean, the only reason I think I am into doing this YouTube blogging is I think it is bringing discipline to my trading. Okay, I got filled in. This is coming really hard. Let's see. I'm going to be aggressive here. 28 point, maybe little down below that. 26.5. Okay, so it did respect that level, the point of control first, and now I don't think it is going to. How about this? Let's try to get out of it. Okay, I got out of it and was a wise move. All right. NQ is coming down, and I said I will remove this trade if it makes a new low, which it did. Low is 1917. So that's why when you're trading for real money, don't get into a contract that you don't understand. That's a good example. New 15 minutes bar coming in 8 seconds. Feel like shorting it here. Oh, too late. So, big news today, huh? Biden picked his running mate, Kamala Harris. I'm trying to go for a scalp here. So my buy is at 21 and my stop is like a new low at 1575, and my target is going to be ETA session mid. Should get filled in. Yeah, I got filled in. So we are at the bottom of the hour. The idea here is this is, even if it's going to sell off, it probably will touch the volume session high for this particular session at 39, and that's why I wanted to capitalize on that opportunity. You can see my stop automatically moved to 2150 now that I am having that set on, a break even offset on, and auto break even is on. There is a big spread between NQ, so not a very good sign. Liquidity is less, that means. Gidijay, which contract are you talking about, NQ or MNQ? Because NQ days low is 10916, 870. But for this session, it has not reached that level, right? 10870. The session low is 10916. Oh, got you. That increases your margin requirement. Is that your personal account? Got you. Uh, yeah. Your target is 11,010. I would be careful for the volume level low from the previous session. That can be some resistance at 10,956. But that is hell of a trade. So when you don't close the position, what's the margin requirement for NQ? Somewhere around $13,000. Yeah, I mean, I hear you, but sometimes, like once in a year, there will be a news between 5 p.m. Eastern Time and 6, and you will sometimes have a big swing, So, I mean, plus, I mean, when you close and reopen the position, the margin requirement is $500. So, it's how much risk you want to take. And for each his own, right? Like what you are comfortable with, how much risk you are able to take. So I'm going to short at 10,938, but not when it touches first time, but when it tries to touch second time, and my stop loss is going to be the new session high. Yeah, 4 red candles. Wow, that's a good logic. Maybe keep that in mind. Yeah. So my uh, strategy is like when you are in market and when you see green, try to get that. I mean, if you're really comfortable and the trade is going your way, then let it run. Otherwise, take it. Got you. It was a weird day today, right? Like S&P was most of the day green and Nasdaq was in red. So what is your stop right now, Gadeje? Any particular level you have your stop at? Beginning next week is going to be fun. No, that's your target, right? 11,064. What is your stop for NQ? You got in somewhere here, 870, and you're trying to ride it all the way to 11,064, but you want to protect your profit now by having a stop. Okay. Actually, I'm trying to get in, go in long at that particular level, 896. So that makes sense. Yeah, got you. 15 minutes for the top of the hour. Glad I got out of gold. Looks like it wants to keep going down. 1920. All right. Let's see what happens at 10,940. I used to trade gold long time ago, but that time I didn't have any knowledge about futures and I did burn myself. So um, after a long time, I'm getting back into futures, but now there are so many resources that are available out there. So a lot of education and a lot of YouTube videos to learn. So I'm giving it a shot one more time. And hence, I don't want to invest my personal money. I want to build some equity using Top Step Combine. I mean, when I get funded and see in the long run how I can be profitable in long run, not just do well for a month and then blow up the account. And I think that's what Top Step helps, which I like, is they will make you either stop trading or you will end up breaking the rule. Yeah, so I think there are five exchanges, one for crude, which is NYMEX, and for gold, it is called something else. Then you have CME for all these indices, but for YM, it is again another indices, and for everything, yeah, everything you have to pay like separate fees. But if you have a personal non-professional account, you can group them and just pay one single fee because they are all owned by CME. Yeah, CME has a lot of products. You can trade currency futures over there. You can trade ES and NQ. So it covers a lot of contracts. Yeah, I mean, you can club that Tradovate package together. Although, I mean, Tradovate. Yeah. So basically, if you want to buy like a package deal, it's $39. Oh, no problem. I know too much of financial markets. Yeah, but be careful trading contracts that you have no idea on how they react in certain conditions. I mean, I don't know if you saw it, but my trade on the gold gave me like $260 loss just now. Yep, yep. We have learned a lot, and we will learn even more. I mean, I'm going to look for this trend that you just mentioned. Although Top Step will not never allow you to carry a trade from previous session to a new session unless you are into a swing combine, which is micro contracts. Yeah, gold moves like it is on steroid, like $1,500 move like in one bar. So you mean this? So this is 15 minutes, right? One, two, three. Then we have one, two, three, four. Yeah, and then yeah, the next one is green. One, two, three, four, green. Hmm, cool. So it doesn't have to be at the end. It can be anywhere. Okay, on the 5 minutes bar. One, two, three, four. Although this one probably will give you some heat, right? Because even the fifth one was a red. Yeah. Although what's happening here? Let's try to see. So it did touch 10,936. It did go to volume area high over here at 1835. Maybe that's the highest it wanted to go this time. And hmm, let's put a short here. I'm trying to go against you. Just joking. And then my stop is going to be here. Let's see if I get filled. And my profit is way down there. Yeah. Sellers at 10,932. We don't know if they are real or not. Will they come and try to check them? Oh, goodness gracious. Well, that was a good point to short, but didn't fill me in. So we wait From 32 to 27, that's like 5 points, $100. I would have been back in green, but was not meant to be. I can try shorting here. 31.25. That's at VWAP. Stop is little over these bars. If you can see, 5 minutes are all making higher lows and lower lows. 15-minute is not that bad. So, Gadeja, according to your logic, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bars like this, then we saw some selling. At least it covered that bar. Okay. Hmm. No, I mean, these are like 4 green bars, right? Then it should try to do the same thing on the reverse. So, thank you for joining Vivu. Basically, I took one long order on NQ and I uh, did one gold order that was also long, but I got stopped out and I'm down $77 for the day. And right now, I can make it more readable here. So basically, I am trying to go short at 10 9 31.25 and basically I'm trying to do a scalp with my stop loss right over this volume area, and it's also about the ETA session mid, and then I will take this order of the chart, but I want to go long at 10 896. All right, I switched on to the 5 minutes. Do you see little tiny green candles before the last 4 red? These So at 1925. Hey Gadej, why don't you join our Discord channel? The information is down below in the description. We can chat over there. It's free. So, and it can be done anytime, like not really right now. From here. Oh, got you. It's the 3 p.m. candle, Eastern Standard Time. It's coming back up strong. I think I'm going to get filled in. Yeah, I got filled in here at 31.25, and it keeps going up. I will be stopped out. It's a quick scalp. Oh, sorry to hear that, Max. I will try to fix it. Okay, and I'm stopped out. That's fine. Let's see what happens to this volume area high. $37.75. I'm going to try one more time. This time the stop is going to be the new high. It's going really strongly at this time, so I may get out of this trade as well. So, um, one thing I just demonstrated here is like if you think your trade is going against you, you don't have to wait until the stop has to hit. That's what exactly I did. I basically closed it for small profit. So, so what happened here was that was like a stop run. Let me delete the volume profile for now so that we can see it clearly. So basically they took it all the way close to the session high and they started selling it. So it was like a stop run, and I think it's going to keep going down now. Let me add back the volume profile. Ooh, didn't. You know what? Maybe I can load it from the template. And lower value line is red. Lower value line is enabled. Point of control is yellow. Upper value line is green. Value area color is green. I like that. Profile alignment right, and then evening session. Save as default. All right, back to where we were. Yep, sounds good. Let me take another shot, a shot at the short, and my stop is going to be at 43. Man, missed by one tick, but I think I will get filled. It's NQ, right? Oh, come on. Missed by one tick is what I can say now. That was my target, and not interested in it anymore. Friends, I will not be streaming tomorrow. I have some work to do. Just wanted to let you know. Try to go for another scalp. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Uh, Beginning next week, I will be streaming the Pro account. Hopefully, we all can learn from my experience. Thank you, good day, Jay. But day after tomorrow, I won't be trading tomorrow. New 15-minute bar. Hey, Deep, welcome. Basically, scalping at the beginning to get some profit, and once you are like up 300 $400 and you are comfortable in like a trade or something, then let it run if it's going in your favor, and then look at the fib retracement levels, look at the volume profile, and come up with your targets. So right now I am in stage 2 of Top Step Trader Trading Combine, and I have already exceeded my profit of $3,000. Hence, I'm taking it easy. I have 2 more days to kill, and this thing just made a new high. So I removed my order from the charts. I'll see what happens at 58.75. Did it do like a high is 44.75 here, 46. So it didn't reach the high by a tick. Wow. I may go short again if it doesn't make a new high in this bar. All right. I'm going to go long here. And target is 56. If it fills me. Oh, did it make new high? Yeah, it did. Stop is going to be below the point of control. Can be a last trade for me today if this goes against me. So I am in at 40 to 50. Let's see if a new high that it made is a good sign at 10,948. So I think because it made a new high from the previous 46, and I see there is some momentum going on, I want to make a quick scalp to get into green. So I did tell you my strategy is scalping initially to stay green, and I was looking at this particular level of 10,958 as area of importance. So it may go and test that. And as I said, like I have a stop at point of control. So if it comes and takes me, stops me out, that's like $300 risk. I'll be down $500 for the day. It's not real money, so I will just close the books, and I have to trade 2 more days to pass the combine. Make sense, Deep? We have 8 more minutes for this 15 minutes bar to close. I hope it reaches that volume profile low from the previous session in this bar. Ten nine fifty is another level that it may want to, it will have hard time crossing. Always these whole numbers like 950, 100, 900, it will do some kind of dance over there before crossing. So we'll see what happens. So far it is looking good. I mean, I have my stop automatically moved because I have this auto break even to on. I don't want to get out though, so I'm going to bring it back again to ETA session mid. Trying to make a new high here at 48.25. Doesn't feel like it wants to go. Yeah, that also makes sense, Deep. This particular wick, it felt like a stop run to me originally, but then that was on the 5 minutes chart. On 15 minutes, it was just fine. So if it was in my funded account, I would have taken profit when it was $100 plus, because my strategy is going to be to make scalping until reaching $500 plus and then try to go for the home run. And here I am not in green, so I would have covered that, I mean, sold that position when I was $100 up. Four minutes until the next 15 minutes bar. I mean, I don't really go into very much details about s- testing strategies and having a lot of indicators, and that's why I like to trade in the evening when volatility is little less. And looks like I'm going to get stopped out. You know what? Let's try to stay a little longer in this trade. It's still a green candle on 15 minutes. Let's see what happens in the next 15 minutes. So 20 seconds for the next 15 minutes. I would have stopped out here. All right. Looks like this is going to be my last trade for the day if I am stopped out at 10:9:27. Hi trader, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. Do you have the link for the Discord channel? Sorry to hear. Well, good thing is it's over. Um, we are uh, like a group of individuals who some of them are interested in options and spreads. So we also uh, like mention those calls on the Discord channel, and obviously I am more interested in futures. All right, so I'm going to. That was my last trade. I'm down 448, so my net account value is 15,756. Uh, this will be my eighth day that I completed. So two more days of trading, and then I will start doing trading in the pro account. So subscribe if you haven't, and we will have some fun in the evening. We will be posting the link in the chat for the Discord invite. Please feel to connect over there. Definitely, I mean, uh, I can post my live streaming sessions link over there. However, uh, don't want to post in other Facebook groups because sometimes people don't appreciate that. So the TradeAv server is built by us, and we will be posting the live stream link for YouTube over there. We will be posting that link. So hold on for a second. All right. So that link will uh, allow you to join our Discord channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, and we will have more information sharing on that Discord channel. If there are no questions, I'm going to end my stream. Have a good night and good day. Safe trading. And if you are in green, then close your books and and wait to trade for another day. So goodbye and good luck. Thank you.